This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Hal Barnett. Wow! Don't miss this gorgeous energy-efficient, well-maintained, bright open floor plan, dining room Horton townhome. It's only 4 years young and has 9 ceilings and stunning accents. The kitchen has beautiful granite counters with a fabulous backsplash, large island, upgraded stainless steel appliances, large pantry, and lovely pendant lighting. The large living room and open dining areas are very spacious and inviting. Downstairs windows are equipped with up/down coverings. Head upstairs to the additional loft living space plus 3 generous-sized bedrooms. The master suite is amazing and spacious, with a great master bath, clerestory windows, a large walk-in closet and a nice deck with great mountain views. The backyard faces open space so you have no rear neighbors. This home could be yours now.